Hello my pumpkins, have another day! In today's video I'm painting the red wine burgundy autumn leaf from a maple tree in watercolors. I'm gonna tell you how I got this maple leaf. There was a September day this year when I and my friend went to the nearest pine and birch woods to get some mushrooms. You know, I love eating local boletices, brown cap boletices, and our favorite is sep or white mushroom, but it's hard to find. So tell me if you like mushrooms, leave a comment below what is your favorite. So that time we didn't get many of them. I decided to get some leaves of different trees like birch, oak tree and maple tree. I got greeny yellow leaves as well as the red or dark red ones. I put them in my book to make them safe. Now they look amazingly and they're flat and colorful. That's how it was. If you like the video, be pushy with a bell, be a subscriber and give this video a like. That's how my videos can get in the recommended ones, so I can give more joy to you because I'll have the inspiration from you, my pumpkins. Today I'm going to share with you my old poem that I wrote many years ago, if you don't mind. Yes, I'm fond of writing too. I guess I'm fond of everything that is connected with the creativity, like singing, writing, painting, sewing, cooking, making something with my own hands. So my poem was called A Leaf. Listen. One leaf isn't a tree. One love can't fool me. A yellow, a green, or a reddish one, it faded away. I have seen in my dream only one. I took it on the palm of my hand, squeezed it like a heart, kept it so close to my soul, and let it fall. Was I wrong or right that time? The answer what I really wanted is inside. My leaf was half yellow and half even green. The dots left by the box I've also seen. The edges were sharp and the surface was rough. It was clean in my hands. I wish I could wear a glove. I smelled it like a child. Closed my eyes and breathed the whole chest. It was a wonderful moment. Until the wind had come out. I wish I'd never felt. 'Cause I lost my beautiful leaf. The wind has just taken it in spite of my wish. I wish I could see my colorful leaf again. Like I could see your eyes, but haven't found you yet. The leaf now is flying. Sometimes it appears in my dream. You're always lying when I tell you around me. How did you like it or not? Give it a thumb up if you did. I'll be very happy. Okay, this is enough talking for today. Now just enjoy watching. Love you, my pumpkins. Adios.